Bank Reconciliation from Professional Advantage offers a dedicated and complete solution for the management of bank statements and bank reconciliation reporting. Professional Advantage solutions are designed for and deeply integrated with Infor SunSystems, offering a range of expansion capabilities to enhance functionality, improve usability, and automate your financial management processes. Bank reconciliation is available for all versions of Infor SunSystems and forms part of our Cash Desk solution set. This includes payment management, remittancing, and reconciliation. Our solution provides easy-to-use manual matching capability and a powerful automatic matching engine with flexible user-defined rules. It provides a simple user interface that can be deployed to finance staff involved with the bank reconciliation process. Statements can be imported using our large library of supported bank formats. Our features include a full audit trail and system-based reporting, high percentage rates of automatic matching, and automatic journal generation from the statement where required in a single user interface. Professional Advantage solutions are available for on-premise, privately hosted, and cloud-based deployments. Users log into bank reconciliation through the web interface. Here we land into the matching area where we can choose the account we wish to act upon, or potentially go and choose from a list of SunSystems business units that we may wish to reconcile. Naturally, you land into the matching area of the system, but a daily task that you'll perform, or potentially weekly or monthly, will be to import bank statements. Statements are downloaded from your banking system and imported into the system using a variety of different formats from our large library of supported banks. In this case, I'm going to import a Barclays BAI2 file. Once you've added the file, this can be imported very simply by clicking the import button. Files can contain multiple bank accounts, or you can import multiple files at the same time that contain one or many bank accounts. On import, the system gives you an option to confirm the accounts found in the system, showing the date ranges and the opening and closing balance of the statement. When you import the file, it checks for an overlap of statement dates, and this can be overridden if required. Once you have imported the files, all data for all statements are placed into the correct bank account. Once we've imported the statement, we can proceed to the matching area and examine a particular account. This shows you data that is outstanding for reconciliation. At the top of the screen, we have our statement data, and at the bottom of the screen, we have our SunSystems ledger data for the linked SunSystems bank account. In the screen, you are able to manipulate the grid by moving columns around, grouping by columns and dates if required. So in this case, you can see I'm now grouping by the transaction type, and the same can be done from a SunSystems sense, for example, grouping by period data. The system allows you to match data between the statement and the SunSystems line simply by clicking on the line at the top and the bottom of the screen. In this case, I can choose a line from the statement for 60,000 credit and a line from SunSystems for 60,000 credit. Matching can be done one-to-one, one-to-many, many-to-one, or many-to-many as required, as long as it balances to 0. Once I've chosen my lines, I click the match function. The lines then disappear. They are linked in the background for audit history, and the transaction in SunSystems is updated with an R marker. This is a very simple and easy to use interface. Additionally, we can post journals directly from the statement where required for something such as a bank charge. So in this case, I'll just choose this line here. I can create the journal using a set of presets that are defined for you in the system or updated by your administrator, or using a blank journal preset. I choose the preset. All of the information for the journal is filled in automatically from the preset, and I can create the journal. This will post the line from the statement to the SunSystems bank account, with the other side being posted to whatever account has been defined. Everything is allocated and kept as part of the audit trail. We can additionally do the same thing for balancing entries, where the system does not actually balance to the correct amount. We can post a journal for the balance amount and include this in our allocation. This is done from the generate balance function, and again can use a preset as required. The user can also add notes to any line on either the statement or the SunSystems side of the transaction. These are kept as an audit trail as part of the matching process and allows you to understand attempts at matching or any problems you may have in relation to your reconciliation. This is a very useful feature of the system. One of the most powerful areas of bank reconciliation is automatic matching. This can be run very simply from within the matching area by clicking the automatic matching option. We run any rules for the account, and the system will then perform any matches and present you with a list of any journals it proposes posting based on out of balance tolerances that you may have applied. In this case, I'm going to cancel any journals posted. To set these up, we do it from the maintenance function. We're able to set up automatic matching using criteria that can be defined to identify lines in a statement based on various reference or data fields, and a matching rule that either matches data to SunSystems using rules that we define here, or creates new journals in the background. These rules are administered by your users. Bank reconciliation includes a complete audit trail of all actions that have been taken in the system. If we view the statements, we can then see statements by bank account for each account that has been defined. And when we look at a statement, we can see all of the lines that have been imported. Any lines that have not been matched yet appear in grey. Lines that have been matched manually will appear here with a manual match type. Any that have been matched automatically will also include the criteria and rule name that has been used for the automatic matching. We can see the date and the time of the match, the allocation number from Sun, and we can additionally drill down into the match and have a look at the SunSystems match line and the statement line. This gives you a very complete audit trail. You can drill further on the SunSystems line and see the information around the journal within SunSystems at a detail level. For any matches that are incorrect, we can unmatch simply by clicking the button, applying confirmation, and the line is then represented for matching. The system also includes comprehensive reporting functionality. This allows you to run a selection of reports that have been designed and set up for you as part of the configuration. The bank reconciliation report can be run across various bank accounts and business units, and also allows you to run a report that is set with a transaction cutoff date and a period cutoff so that you can run retrospective reporting. When we run this report, it naturally gets generated as a PDF document, and this shows you the balances of your ledger account, the balances of the bank account, and a breakdown of unmatched ledger transactions and unmatched statement side transactions as you work through the report, followed finally by a summarization that gives you calculated difference and statement balances, etc. This is a very powerful data-driven report that can be generated at any time. We also include functionality for a bank statement report, and this can provide information for transactions that have yet to be matched on a statement, or indeed transactions that have already been matched, including the link to any journals that has been reconciled to in the SunSystems ledger. Here you can see a match has been performed on the statement line, it's been matched manually, and it gives you a link to the SunSystems journal number, value, and reference. Any notes that you've added to the transactions on the SunSystems or the statement side will also appear in this report. Reporting is a key part of the bank reconciliation process. Should you require any further information about bank reconciliation, please feel free to contact us at www.professionaladvantage.co.uk.